You know what? I used to believe that if you wanted to start an online business, you had to be a computer genius. I thought you needed fancy degrees, thousands of dollars, or a garage full of products to sell. But I was wrong, completely wrong. Here is what surprised me the most when I was actually starting looking for a way out of the normal 9 to 5 grind. The first is that you can actually own a fully automated business without ever touching a product or writing a line of code. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need to ship boxes from your house. There are systems out there that do the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a digital shop that stays open while you sleep. And you don't even have to stock the shelves. That alone was a huge load off my shoulders. Because let me tell you, honestly, I didn't even have experience in tech. I didn't have the time or the brain power to learn complicated software. The second thing that blew my mind was the time. I literally always thought that being your own boss meant working 80 hours a week and never ever seeing your family. But the truth is, once you have the right system set up, you can get your main earning activities done in only 2 to 3 hours of your day. Think about it. You do your work in the morning and the rest of the day belongs to you. You can go for a walk, do your hobbies, spend time with your kids, or even just relax. It's about working smart, not working long. But the most important part, and the thing that changed literally everything for me, was realizing I didn't have to figure it out alone. Usually when you start a business, it's just you against the world. It's lonely and scary, but I found a way to get live mentorship and community support 24/7, 365 days a year. Every time I felt stuck or had a question, there was literally someone there to help. It feels like having a team of friends that have already done it and cheering you on. This is why I share my story. I went from being stuck and confused to having a clear path to freedom. I didn't have special skills, I just had the right plan. And today I want to give that same plan to you. I've put together something called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's a simple guide that shows you exactly step by step how this works. It's the same guide that I used to get my time back. And the best part, it's 100% free. I'm not here to be a guru. I'm just a normal person that found a better way, and I want to show you that it's possible for you too, my friend. If you're tired of the stress and you want to see how you can start your own 2-hour workday, I want to help you. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be willing to learn. If you're ready to get your hands on my free blueprint that changed my life and the lives of thousands of others, I want to see that you are serious. Comment the word ready and I'll send you the link to get my free Freedom Formula blueprint and all the details you need to get started right away. Thanks for joining, and I hope to see you in my next video.